The harmonic mean of a set of non-zero numbers is the reciprocal of the average of the reciprocals of the numbers. What is the harmonic mean of 1, 2, and 4? The choices are 3/7, 7/12, 12/7, 7/4, and 7/3. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's follow the definition step by step. First, take the reciprocal of each number. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. And the reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. Next, add these reciprocals and divide by 3 to get their average. 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 equals 7/4. Dividing 7/4 by 3 gives 7/12. Finally, the harmonic mean is the reciprocal of that average. The reciprocal of 7/12 is 12/7. So the harmonic mean is 12/7. Choice C.